Hey, hello. Welcome to Shitcoin Talk episode 70. I'm dumb. And this introduction is fucking
for a second.
No, I didn't forget, dude. I'm just wondering how useless this fucking introduction is. Ambroid is here. Ambroid, talk to the people. Let them know what's up.
I'm doing these fucking stupid introductions. Just skip me.
Okay. God damn it, dude. We have altcoin Grodson.
Hey, it's altcoin Grodson here. Doing a stupid ass fucking intro. Dude, this is the reason why we're not on iTunes, all right? Like,
No, the reason we're not on iTunes is because our name is literally Shitcoin Talk and they don't allow swear words in the names.
I know, but like they also ask you, like, is this content, explicit? And then you're like, yeah, and they're like, okay, you're not getting on then.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Also racist sometimes.
Not me though,
Okay. Is that
I deny those allegations.
All right. Are you done with, is that your introduction?
No, well, I was
Just
gonna
shaming us
I
already?
was gonna read the tweet about Roger Ver and Jimmy Song, but I'm probably not gonna do that now.
You should. Just do it for the people.
Dude, we're 2 minutes in and the show has already fallen apart.
I know. This is why we stopped doing it.
Passing it off to Blackstone.
Thanks, Grodson. My name's Boy Rackstone. You guys may know me from Twitter. Shitcoin connoisseur, liquidation removal specialist, Link Marine, served in 3 wars, and now I'm here to talk to you guys. All right, that's me. Who's next?
Just 5. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. I popped my Shitcoin Talk cherry today, or I am popping it. I don't know about the stupid introduction, but I just post charts on Twitter. That's all I do.
Perfect. Maybe you can show us some charts today on the show. If you want.
Okay.
Or not, maybe.
So,
whatever you want.
wait. Let me get this straight. So you just post the charts and you don't trade them.
That's all I do.
Yeah, so you're just like all of crypto Twitter, basically.
He's a LARPer.
He's a fucking LARPer.
Nice.
Good.
He's a level 50.
Yeah, but most of crypto Twitter doesn't use MS Paint on their charts, and I do. That gives me an edge.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're the guy that
excuse
posts the
me.
memes on his charts.
I use Adobe Photoshop, so you can catch me outside. How about that?
Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, I got a coin list here for everyone. This is going to be so awesome. All right, we have LTO, WABI, which is also called, what's it called? Tail. ICX, RCN, Quark Chain, ARC, Genosis, Nizo, VO, Shift, Grin, Tomo, Raven, and Tezos. Actually, yes, okay. Today I just learned that they actually are called Tezos. Like Tezos is the name of the coin, but like Tezos are the coins.
I thought we took Tezos out back and shot it like 3 episodes ago. Like, why do people still keep talking about this fucking coin?
Because it's Tezos.
They have more money in reserves than the market cap, bro. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I actually looked yesterday, and they raised like $250 million, and their market cap is like $250 million. So that's good, right?
Well, that's not more.
So they can buy themselves.
Yeah, dude, they can fucking buy themselves. That's exactly what that means.
They can centralize all their coins forever.
All right, so where should we start? Should we just start with Tezos? Should we just get it out of the way?
I mean, let me ask a question real quick. If the foundation or the leadership isn't willing to buy their own coins with the treasury they have, doesn't that mean that they don't believe in the future value of
Of course they don't believe in the future value, bro.
They have $250 million. What future value do you need?
You think Zuko's out here like buying Zcash on the market?
No. He gets people to mine it for him.
Like, you think Satoshi, what's his name? Charlie's out here buying Litecoin with his millions and millions of dollars? No, dude.
I mean, he probably is now.
No, he's sold, man. No, they don't believe in any of these coins, dude.
Dude, dump the fucking top. Of course he's buying back now.
Yeah, I mean, he has to be buying back now. That's what would make him a good trader. But anyways.
So what was the ICO price, please? 50 cents? Or
sure.
Something? Oh, come on, fuck off.
I'm gonna go look. I'm gonna look. Just talk about Tezos.
Yeah, so still the same. Basically, they're trying to build up their developer community. There's like these giant bounties if you develop shit for them.
Token price is 40 cents.
Yeah,
But
40
the problem
cents.
is that
10,000
I hear that they're very whatchamacallit, like they don't want to give out the money. Like they are very careful with it.
Nice.
So it's actually not really worth it to work on those grants. Where's my bed? No.
Well, I think the grants are probably there for a reason. That said, I as a Tezos bag holder myself, I have like zero faith in this project for at least the next year or two, because I think, as far as I'm concerned, the only value you're going to get is either like a Binance listing pump, or like when things actually get developed for this thing. And development takes a really long time, and doubly so in crypto, because everything is always delayed because everyone has their own schedules and can't keep to like deadlines. So, I mean, really, you're depending on the community to get together and build stuff on this. And I'm not particularly bullish on that.
Well, it would be fine if they actually paid the people, but it's a real struggle to get the money out of them for developing the shit. So
Yeah. I mean, it takes a while too, right? I mean, like you don't expect them. I mean, Ethereum took like a year before. I mean, when it came out in 2016, I didn't care until the BAT ICO that the first ICO that I tried to, actually buy. And then I was like, wait, how does this thing even work again? So, I mean, it takes a while, but, the news about them getting on Stack Exchange a while ago and, all that stuff, it makes it somewhat, reasonable. It's not like the average, project that's just, disappeared with your money and haven't done anything. So, it might be like another year or so before we see movement, but it's all right.
Yeah, I mean, it could definitely do like an Ethereum move where it's like just kind of sitting there at low valuations or semi-low valuations, and then there's like this big announcement. I know the one catalyst for Ethereum was the when they announced EEA. That was really what started off the huge pump. So certainly possible that Tezos could do something similar, but again, that's like wholly dependent on Tezos and people who are involved in that. And so unless you have some kind of insider info, it's like, good luck.
So the price right now is actually like literally identical to the token price.
Yes.
Like even in Satoshi value is like 10,000 sats is the price for ICO, and that's the price right now too. So, in USD price is pretty much the same. So it's kind of strange, but
accumulation, bro.
We should have dumped it when it came out, bro. Jesus.
Yeah, for real.
Ambroid, your chart keeps disappearing. Also, I don't know why.
Me neither, man.
It's fucked up.
What
do they call it? The state of things, dude.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Yo, I mean, I've got a chart up.
Okay, I know why.
Looking at the chart over the last.
Now it's gonna be okay.
It's been just consolidating like the same zone. Hopefully, it doesn't break down again, but like this would be a good place to, if you were buying in tranches just to accumulate. This would be a nice place to get some, but
or like just fucking ignore it.
Like you said, it's the ICO price too. So like there's some fundamental like support there as well.
Yeah, that's what I would expect ICO price to be supported pretty much indefinitely. So I mean, if that does hold, then you're buying basically at the bottom. The question is, are you really going to expect this to go anywhere up from that point? And then like, what's the time scale on that? I think Ambroid has it right. You should just ignore it. There's 2,000 other cryptocurrencies, and this isn't. I don't think this is the one right now.
Yeah,
I agree.
Someone in the chat said they tried to hire Dan Larimer to build their smart contract platform recently. So I don't know about that.
They tried to hire Dan Larimer.
Yeah.
Isn't he like mega rich? Why does he need a job?
I mean,
he doesn't need a. They tried to hire Dan Larimer.
The only other thing I would say about Tezos is like these exchanges it's listed on, like I don't know any of them. Like there's UEX, BitMax. The only one I can see that I know that may be like somewhat relevant is Bitfinex, but it's done a whopping $7,000 in volume today.
Kraken's not bad.
You don't know Kraken, dude?
Not really. I've never traded on there, so.
Yeah, but like they haven't gone on.
I guess Kraken was the first one, huh?
Big, like Western exchanges, you know, no Bittrex, no Polo.
Yeah.
I mean,
I wait for the day for the Bittrex Tezos pump. Yeah, that's gonna happen, boys. Strap in for that. You're ready to sell to those last 3 people who are still using it.
Hey man, come on.
Be on Binance, bro. I mean,
Matter of fact, 3 of them might be in this call.
Yeah, that's a shame. That's probably true.
When I think about Tezos, you always have to think about opportunity cost, and with such a market cap and such a with the history of the coin, even if it's at some sort of local bottom now. Or it could be, it's just sitting on the floor. I just think opportunity-wise, this versus fuckload of like Binance coins, I just cannot ever justify buying Tezos right now.
Yeah, that's very true.
I agree.
Okay, I think that's good. I think we tore it apart.
Someone in the chat is saying that there's an echo. Someone has an open mic or something.
I don't
know. Mine.
Is it me?
I don't know. I don't
shouldn't
hear
be.
It's not any of you because I don't hear an echo.
Yeah.
Are we all wearing headphones?
It should be with Dumb.
It's not.
I've got 2 headphones on my head.
What? Well, I mean, yeah.
For this one.
Okay.
No, I mean like I've got one for my ears and one for my mic.
It's all right. People are saying like it's not real.
It's not us, dude.
We got trolled.
Someone must have opened 2 tabs of the shitcoin talk. It's crazy.
Kick that guy. Kick that asshole.
Okay, what's next on the list? Do you guys have another one you want to talk about on the list? Or we could just go right down it. LTO is the next one on the list if you guys want to go there.
Let's do it.
That's been bumping the last 2 weeks. Like, why would you?
Well, no wonder why someone wants us to talk about it.
Look at this shit. Right?
That is so good, dude. Fuck
yeah.
You want
to talk about my back so we can pump it and we can.
Hey, bro, your chart keeps disappearing, dude. What are you fucking doing, bro?
Shut up.
Okay.
We can talk about it after a 250% pump, right? I mean, it's
trying
like
to fucking.
Hey, it's a great buy, guys. You should go all in. I mean, never heard of this coin.
Trade it.
It's
hotbit.io.
It's trading on Bilaxy, BitMax, which I've never heard of. IDEX.
Bilaxy, dude.
Bilaxy for bisexuals, bro.
We need
Come on.
Some of these exchanges sound like.
Listen, bro, we're accepting of the LGBTQ plus community.
So
okay?
Hotbit is.
Did you put a plus at the end? Is there a plus now?
Yeah.
No.
Some of these exchanges sound like porn sites, Hotbit, Bilaxy. Jesus Christ.
All right, what do we say about this? I don't know.
Fuck this shit, bro. It's been pumping for like a long time. Why would you even buy it? Like
they want their credit, dude. Good job.
The main thing I can say about this is that someone dumped on a lot of people. That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
That's how it is always.
It appears that way. Someone has to get
All right, are you guys ready for this? I'm going to read their pitch.
Okay. Right. I'm ready.
All right. Hybrid blockchain for decentralized workflows. So that means nothing. Enabling B2B to collaborate on equal footing using trustless automated processes with GDPR and data privacy compliance, combining permissionless ad hoc private chains with permissionless public blockchain. So this is just word salad. It doesn't actually say anything about what it does.
I don't even know what the fuck you just said.
Is it Chinese by any chance?
It probably is, judging from the name and the website.
Go look at the founders. Go scroll down and look at the founders and tell us the first few names.
Let's go to the team. No, we got Rick Schmitz. that's not very Chinese.
Freaking Rick, dude.
He's a lawyer at Deloitte though, so I guess you should just buy it up.
All right.
No, this is complete shitcoin.
All right.
Next, I guess.
Yeah, what's next?
Next is WABI or
Teal.
Teal.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know, dude. I don't fucking know.
Do you just assume its name, bro?
No, that's what it says.
That's the only
tail.
You say that shit, right?
Tail.
Tail. Tile.
This looks really good.
No, just say tail, like TIL, tail.
Tail.
Yeah.
I
Like
don't
Star
want
Tail?
to ruin your fucking SJW naming party or whatever you're doing right now, but this looks actually good.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
What makes it an SJW naming party, bro? Like, how does that even?
I don't know I don't know, dude. It's Ambroid.
Roy just said you're assuming its name or something. So.
Bro, it was just a scheme, you know. Listen, all right, listen, bro. I come to shitcoin
Don't trigger the
lines of
WABI.
John's prepared. Did you just assume its price, bro?
God damn.
Just saying, market cap is a social construct, so
I know, right?
it looks good though, actually.
We can all decide what the price is, right?
Yeah, this doesn't look too bad. The volume looks nice. The chart looks great. I think you're onto something here. Tail.
Yeah, downtrend ended and everything, and it, although this, like, the pattern
It hasn't necessarily ended. Like, there's these highs around 5,000 that we have to get.
I mean,
But
it hasn't, like,
looks fairly good.
Yeah, it hasn't, like, broken out or anything, but, like, the downtrend, like, going down constantly has ended since the highs in 360,000 satoshis or whatever. So that's a good thing, but it hasn't, like, started a new high.
I remember the end of 2017 was when they had the WABI ICO. And those guys were nice enough to offer everyone who was in the ICO a chance to sell their tokens back to the team. They were going to do a buyback before they listed, because I think the ETH price moved negatively. So they offered to buy everyone's tokens back. They released, and then they went like 10x or some insane amount, or like 20x or something. And I mean, fundamentally, this is like a project, because I looked into this. This is Chinese specifically, which is kind of weird because they have L in the name now. But they're basically, what they're doing is like digital rewards for people. So if you're buying shit at a store, you get some WABI tokens or tail tokens now, and then you can spend them on things. So I actually, from a fundamental perspective, this is the team that has been working through the entire bear market. So that already says a lot to me. The team is the same. They haven't like fired anyone. So I think on a fundamental level, if you're looking to buy this, you could do worse. You certainly could do worse.
They only raised $11 million. Is that going to be enough, Roy?
So yeah, that's a lot of money, dude. I mean, I don't know how much money you spend, but
Not in $11 million. I was just curious because they're working through the bear. Like you've heard a bunch of coins that the development teams has the money. So
thing is if they're working through the bear market still, that says that they probably had proper management of their money once they took it in.
Yeah,
unlike every other team. So they're not like speculators. They're actually trying to build a product here. But again, this is entirely Chinese, so I mean, you better learn Chinese if you really want to get in the weeds with it.
Perfect.
Yeah. So buy Startail, great coin. Next.
Am I gonna have to learn Chinese to read the white paper?
No, I think it's English.
Is it in English? Right.
That's a nice chart, though.
Yeah.
What the hell is that? It's actually, what the fuck? The token name changed? What the hell?
Yeah, the name is Teal or
It's tail, dude.
Tail,
dude.
bro. It's Tail. It's from Krypton.
Were you not listening to us talk about the name? And you told us we were doing an SJW naming party?
No, I thought it's just something stupid, but it's actually something
Oh, it is
real.
stupid.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Is that good? We good on this?
Yeah.
Do you have anything to say about the chart, Amber?
No, I just said it's nice. I like
I mean-
it. It's a good setup. I would buy this.
Okay.
Yeah, my chart is pretty basic. I've got a jet plane and everything on there, so you know what's up.
Whoa. Cool, dude.
I know, right? It goes swoosh and then gets shut down by Russia.
Nice, bro.
Fuck, dude. Okay, the next one is
All right, the Kremlin just called.
Icon.
They're gonna pull out support for shitcoins.
Where it's over, dude.
Drodson, what are you doing?
I don't know. All right, the next one is ICX Icon, I think.
Icon.
Yeah, that's been bleeding hard, hasn't it?
I'm not even.
Yeah.
No surprise because it had said, "Oh, it looks okay-ish."
The last few days it's got some nice volume.
Let's see here.
Look at that edge to edge,
Actually, I mean,
Yeah.
it's not bad.
Edge to edge, dude.
Fucking.
Edge to what?
Oh, it's green
That's
now.
actually
Greenish
done
now.
already.
Yeah.
But
I don't actually know what
Um,
edge to edge means. I just wanted to be cool.
no, like edge to edge is when I'll draw it for you. And edge to edge
It's when
is
you
like
pull out
when
your-
you see something like this, like we are at the bottom of the cloud, and you expect the coin to touch the top of the cloud, right? So this is the trade edge to edge. So it actually
Oh.
happened here, like really fast.
Yeah.
This is an edge to edge.
Nice. Thank you.
It actually looks for a bounce. It looks good for a bounce quite soon in the low 700s. It's one of the from the Interoperability Alliance. This one performed the best. One is still lagging behind, but I mean, ICX everyone started shitting on it and forgot about it, and then it did that. So
It was a massive market cap, though, wasn't it?
Everyone was on it.
It's
Wasn't it
already.
like-
it was
It
top
was
10,
4
wasn't it?
billion. It was 4 billion, and now
Yeah.
it's 130 million. So it's still quite large.
Yeah, wasn't it like Crypto Dale's biggest bag or something?
Yeah, it was a few people's biggest bags. I remember I
So-
shilled it on my website, and I didn't buy like a moron, like an absolute moron.
Oh
what is
yeah,
that?
sure. The market cap that big is a lot of people's biggest bags.
Oh yeah, I mean this is kind of like the, I don't want to call it the brainchild, but this is like the project, the Korean project, right? It's like this one, Wanchain, and like one other. What was the other one? Ion. It's like those three. If you like
Yeah.
Korea
And
and
Boss
they like
Coin.
blockchain, and what?
Boss coin.
Boss Coin?
Yeah, dude.
Like
That's
unironically?
BOS. Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Whoa.
I didn't know that.
G Korean's favorite coin.
Yeah, that's a Korean coin as well. I only don't know because it's got masternodes.
Of course, dude.
It's
The
That
old
word- that
Masternode
weird, huh?
scam.
That'll never get old, dude. Masternodes we're gonna live forever, man.
It's like the best Ponzi, dude. The Masternode Ponzi.
My favorite tweet, like this whole year, is probably Loops' tweet, like, "How's that sticking doing for you?"
Oh, dude, I'm gonna add that to my collage of like epic tweets.
Oh my god! I was like, "How's staking going for you? You staking us?"
I remember Loops made a tweet one time about how he found his son setting up a masternode, so he tied him to a tree.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I don't know how Icon is. It looks okay, but
Yeah,
Yeah, it looks nice and it's got a lot of overhead resistance.
yeah,
Yeah.
Godson's showing.
yeah, it's got.
yeah, the 8,000 area where it kind of hit, definitely
Yeah,
resistance. So
it's gonna have to do a lot of legwork to even get off the ground, and
Have to pull an
considering
icon.
it's $100 million market cap or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're better off looking for something else, really.
Market cap is a social construct, though.
yeah, I
remember-
saw you tweeted an article about that, everybody. Would you tell us a little bit about that?
Well,
no?
it's market cap's shit because it can be artificially changed, right? Because market cap is taken from stocks, and a stock's value is directly tied to the company's value. Whereas with a token, you can just print as many tokens as you want, and then you lock up 70% of them, and you're acting like your market cap is something when it's not. So you can either inflate it or deflate it on purpose. It's just a mess. And honestly, we should try and stop using market cap as much as possible.
I disagree mostly with that.
Because you suck.
Yeah,
yeah, let's hear it, Godson.
It's because I don't suck actually.
Okay.
In
Wait,
reality,
that's why you disagree?
no. Because I mean, here's the thing, right? We're talking about like the liquid coins, right? We're not talking about like the total supply or the vesting coins or whatever. And if you look at the coin market cap, how they derive the market cap, they use the circulating supply, not the total supply, right? And that's what is $100 million. So I mean, you can say it's a social construct or whatever, but if I was holding a bag of this thing and it showed, and it pumped, and all of a sudden I had $1 million, it wouldn't be a social construct anymore when I dump on everybody.
So tell me two things. When I want to sell 1 million boss coins at this price right here, do you think I could? Because with stocks, it's much more realistic, right?
I mean, not really. You still have the same liquidity issues in stocks as well. That's why a coin with a high market cap, it's not going to pump as much because every single dollar
of course
it goes up.
Of course it pumps as much.
$1 million.
Market cap just doesn't matter to a pump. There is a saying, if you remember it, market caps are elastic. Do you remember that?
Yeah, dude.
I've been in crypto since 2015. Market cap was elastic for 1 year in 2017, and ever since then it hasn't been elastic. All right, so I mean that shit works in a
it
great
has been. It just contracted for everything.
It's you can disregard market cap in a huge bull market, right? But for the rest of the like the trading cycle, especially like since 2018, you probably shouldn't.
How do you regard it, please? It just doesn't even fucking matter. Like, top 10 coin can pump 10x just as easily as some little fucking shit coin.
Yeah, I would agree. It
doesn't matter whatsoever.
I would agree that I've been looking less at market caps, or like I look at them, but I don't really take them for what I used to. But like when I'm looking for smaller coins, I guess the reason I look at market caps for smaller coins is just to see how small they actually are. Like Trade Ogre coins or some Cryptopia coins. So
you're telling me like if a $1 million market cap coin got popular on CT, the effect on the market would be the same if $100 million market cap coin got popular. I mean, like what do you?
Yes, it would have no effect because CT has no fucking money.
Yeah.
We have no more clout, bro.
Okay, I see what you mean, but
we got drained by the psychic vampires, so. No more clout.
Yep. All right. Oh, that's
I do actually agree with Grodson. I think the market cap thing is still pretty relevant. I mean, yeah, like let's say we get another bull run, Bitcoin or whatever is going to go up 10x, like 100%. But some things will go up 10x versus Bitcoin, so that means they went up 100x.
Wow.
I mean, you can treat it as a very vague approximation of the network size.
Yeah.
Right? That's what I can get behind. But it should not be used as anything exact, right? So it's more like a range of, say, calling 1 to 10 million market cap coins something like mid caps or whatever. But even that changes so much, it's just not too relevant in my eyes anymore.
I just look at it as a metric of how many other bag holders there are besides me.
Coin. Yeah, that's it. That's just what it is. It's like, $100 million coin has much bigger bag holders than a $1 million coin. That's just it, right? I mean,
you could just measure that by active addresses instead, and it would give you a more precise measurement.
I don't know.
Yeah, whatever. Let's
yeah,
you got no arguments to that, bitch.
No, you can disregard market caps all you want, but you're still gonna be digging through fucking Trade Ogre tomorrow looking for.
I mean, number of addresses is completely irrelevant. Like I could make a coin with 1 billion addresses. It doesn't mean it's the biggest coin.
Yeah,
I mean, it's just a function of how much money each individual has is what the market cap is telling
and
you.
I mean, it's just like a function of like just how many bag holders there are. In
Yeah, that's what
general.
I'm saying. But it's not about how many bag holders. It's how many bag holders with how much money.
Yeah,
If there's one bag holder like Ripple that owns 93% of all Ripple, like that's one bag holder, but that's also like one bag holder who owns over $1 billion.
yeah.
So
I mean, like so yeah. Compared to like Ripple, for example, that's actually like not as bad. Like when you're doing like the whole market cap thing, because it's a centralized like amount of coins. He's not gonna dump $1 billion tomorrow. But with coins like these that that have a lot of people holding 1 million, 2 million, 500,000, 300,000 like dollars worth of coins, it's just a lot of resistance to get through because everybody is just waiting to dump on you. Like it's so much harder than a smaller cap coin that has a few guys with maybe like one guy might just have and that's it. It's not even the same thing. But I'm stammering over here like a madman. So let's move on.
Okay.
shitcoin talk, equally entertaining as it is educational.
Yeah. I guess that's what we try to achieve here, That's what we do. All right. The next one on the list is RCN.
Yeah,
Arsenic?
I had a chart about that.
Ripio, what's it called? Ripio RCN. Ripio
Ripio
Credit Network.
I remember doing a chart about this ages ago and trading it. And like when you mentioned it today, I was actually pretty impressed because the chart looks like it's actually like making new highs and breaking out. Again, with the other charts, you can see like the downtrend ended somewhere in August of last year, and it's just been going since then. And that for me is a good thing when looking at a chart. It looks like someone accumulated, test pumped it into this region previously before let it slide a little bit more, and now they're actually making the move. So it's actually a good chart. I don't know much about like what the project is actually doing right now, but from a perspective, that's enough.
Maybe Roy could read it for us if he feels like he should.
Ripio Credit Network is a peer-to-peer global credit network protocol based on cosigned smart.
Oh fuck! It changed slides. It's animated. Their homepage is animated.
No,
it's just credit, bros. You can get free money, except not really.
Sweet.
You have to stake your. It's like salt, kind of.
Oh, how did that work out?
Terribly. So there it is.
Ripio.
That's
cool.
You
gotta stake your Ripios and get credits for your network.
I actually, this is completely unfounded, but I think CZ likes it. I know it's trading on Binance.
It is.
So yeah, I think he wanted to include them or implement them somehow for like Binance crediting or something. So like, I mean, if that happens, basically like you're set.
Yeah,
it's gonna pump really hard. But I don't know. Like that's completely unfounded. You need to DYR on that.
It's also on Bittrex. I didn't realize it was on Bittrex.
No one realized it's on Bittrex. Right?
Yeah, no one gives a fuck, dude. Yeah, it's pushing pretty good volume. Although the top exchange, ChowX, that's pushing most of the volume. I don't know what the fuck it is.
That's gonna be fake volume, dude.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. So,
ChowX Hong Kong.
Yep, but yeah, the chart doesn't look too bad. There's that what is that area? 5,600. Is that 560 sats? It's kind of pushing that resistance. So yeah, I don't think it looks too bad.
ChowX, what the fuck?
ChowX, dude.
That sounds like one of the new Pokemon, dude.
That does not sound racist at all.
Oh,
$240 million volume. That's pretty good.
If it's gonna be Chinese just from the name.
Wow.
Estonia licensed. What the hell?
Yeah, that's definitely Chinese with an Estonia license.
Okay, languages.
BTC and iPhone X reward up for Gab.
Yeah, so languages are English and Hong Kong, so it's Chinese.
Dude, this exchange looks incredible. Look at it.
Yeah, it's actually sweet. I love it when my exchange moves around like that.
Dude, it looks like Tron, that Disney movie. It's great.
So let's see the volume. Why can't I order by the volumes? What is stag markets?
Stag.
How many stags for my chicken?
What's stag markets?
Double your stags in 3 weeks.
No
By
volume.
Ripio Credit Network.
What's it? I'm serious here. What's a stag market?
It's a
So
market
they're,
where you buy stags, bro. What do you mean?
They're daily
What is
volume.
NNB? I don't
Yeah,
even know.
I don't know what that is
NNB
either. I was gonna look.
I didn't even know
250
that.
million, lads. 250 million is their daily volume. Is that
That
right?
sounds-
Who knows?
Okay, so it's an ICO or something.
Oh. Oh. Whoa.
Is there like a sell wall or something?
Probably have to log in to look at that shit.
Maybe stag is like security token.
I mean, but
Something
like
generation.
in general, the naming is weird. Like, what's a trade center?
Not show for one day.
Would you stop reading the things like that? Come on.
Now they're Russian, dude.
Yeah.
Hello, I would like to purchase 2 steak.
Fucking discount lot and staggering.
I will sell
Trade
3
center.
steak tomorrow.
Open price in Chowek stagging market.
Hey, hello. It says I have IP from Riga Station, but the tunnel. The steak escaped into the tunnels.
Shitcoin Talk has for all your countries.
They are in.
The Kremlin is definitely pulling their support.
English like that. So
All right, we were talking about Ripio Credit Network. I don't know how we got to Chowek. Oh, because they're faking a bunch of volume.
what is Trade Center? I want to go to
That's what I'm asking. Like, what's up with the discount
Pokemon
lot?
Center.
Like, do you buy the coins at a discount at a discount lot? Like, what the hell?
Yeah,
Activity ends.
Please stay tuned for our next activity. Boy,
Activity ends.
please stay tuned for
All
our
right.
next
I mean,
activity.
we could just sit here and look at exchanges like for
Yeah,
hours.
let's just
dude.
shit on Chowx for the next hour.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, let's-
good.
Let's read the rules for.
Oh, boy.
What
Where's their white paper, bro?
Let's see. Stagging. I like stagging.
You can get a stagging.
I just kind of want to keep clicking on this.
Will you
button here.
will you make an account and then let us know like what's going
The
on there?
ultimate stag party is taking place on Chowx.
Okay,
Alright.
wait. So, like, the biggest market here was, look at this. 24-hour volume is 55,000. So let's see how much we've got in the order books if it looks real.
Oh, look at that volume. That looks so fake.
This is
When
okay.
he wakes up
Oh,
and
no,
goes to
the
sleep over there.
Okay, wait. Can I like?
He
Yeah,
like,
dude.
went to sleep.
So this is like
Like-
the horizontal support for volume over here.
What happened in February? What happened on February 24th? Someone took a day off or something.
Yeah,
please,
yeah, he went
please,
to
sir,
sleep,
may
bro.
I sleep now?
He went to sleep.
He went to a stag party, bro.
But there's like a bunch of
Yeah.
money in the books, right? So
Well, no. Wait, is this the Bitcoin market?
no,
Reduce-
this is the Ethereum market.
Reduce
Oh.
the decimal places. 8 decimals is a little.
Oh yeah. So
It's
let's
good.
go.
It's like 5. Yeah.
It's I don't
What
know.
is that? 31,000
It's not
RCN.
that much.
So that's like the tokens, right? Not Ethereum. So it actually
I think
fucking
it's
sucks.
tokens.
and
Yeah, it
it's
actually
completely
sucks really
fake.
bad because it's 500 sats of coins. So that's like
Absolutely
know.
nothing.
Blech.
500 size is like 2 cents.
No, this is Itoshi, remember?
yeah, I know, but I was
This is
just saying
Vitalik's.
Oh, yeah,
20,000
Gwei.
coins at 500 sats is like 0.1 Bitcoin or something. So it's like the not very much.
What can I like? BTC. I'm
BTC
completely
is
sure that
73
Dash is
million.
doing.
Why do we keep looking at
130,000?
Chowx, dude? We don't need
Dude.
to look at this any further.
I
There's
just
no
want
more.
to make sure that Dash is doing $130,000. No, Bitcoin. So this is like.
It's not 130,000 Bitcoin volume.
times. How much is Bitcoin now? 3,500.
That's how much Dash is traded. That's not Bitcoin volume. I almost
No,
guarantee
that's. No, this is all. You think?
you. Yes, I think it's 132,000 Dash coins traded.
I mean, come on. There's a bunch of Dash here for sale.
Yeah, dude.
I think I'd rather trade like
completely fine.
Stag BTC before I trade Dash BTC. I'm gonna be honest.
So I'm pretty sure that they can do 100,000 dash on 300 dash in the sell side, guys.
Yeah, sure.
Uh,
I mean, look at the
fuck
active
is
trades. Look at
scraping-
the active trades
Wait,
right now.
wait. Someone's scraping his pot over there. Like, what's
Yeah,
going
what's
on?
going on?
It's the bear market, bro.
Someone eating soup?
Why
Dude,
are we
look at
debating
the
like,
trade
whether
history.
this? Why are we even debating whether this?
You're like
the
making
exchange
macaroni
has straight volume
bro.
or not?
We're not debating. I don't know what we're doing now. We're just looking
Just
at
five.
it.
Just five was like, yo, forget this. I'm like, let's
You
go.
just this sounded like macaroni and cheese, dude.
outstanding
Let's
commission.
Dude,
All right,
Cancel
let's
some.
move on. We gotta get out. We gotta get out of here. We're
Dude,
going too
look,
deep.
there's a cancel some button. Like you want to cancel some.
I don't want to cancel all. I just want to cancel some. Okay.
All right,
Look
move
at
Okay.
that volume,
All
bro.
right.
move
We're moving on.
move
I'm taking it. We gotta move on. We gotta get out of here, dude.
Control W, bro.
Any other coins on the list? We got a lot of coins on the list and not that much time left. So we got
Let's hit up Raven.
Raven. Sure, yeah. Let's see
damn.
how high it's pumped. Roy, go ahead.
I want it. Let's check it out.
Raven. Why are we talking about Raven coin?
Look at it, boys.
There it
Oh
is.
man, that's incredible. And it's,
Yeah, everything just
that's
broke
awesome.
face, dude. It's pretty crazy.
No, it's like you always buy it below 300. Like whenever it goes below 300, you just buy it.
Yeah.
Is it good to buy now?
Yes.
Is a good buy now, sir?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's been
2 weeks?
5 green candles.
Yeah. So,
Well,
is
that's
there
good, right?
anything fundamental going on, or is this just doing its thing because it went below
Not that I know.
300?
Yeah, not
Raven
that I
coin
know.
is flying high, brother.
There's a meetup or something, but I'm not sure that's why it's
The
pumping.
consensus pump.
Who's gonna
For
be
Raven.
at the meetup, dude? Is Bill Clinton gonna be there?
Oh boy.
Probably not.
I'm not
Is
interested.
Dan Larimer gonna be there? Probably not.
Who the fuck is Dan Larimer? I don't even know who you guys are talking about.
He's the guy who made fucking Steam, EOS, like all the good scams, bro.
Wait, Steam? Like you mean the gaming
like
game
that,
thing?
No, like Steam. No, not that Steam. Steam.
Oh.
Steam.
No, that would
No,
be too
that's
much.
Gaben.
Oh yeah.
Gaben doesn't care about crypto.
So this is
Meetup pump.
I dubbed this the meetup pump.
They gotta pump it so they can sell tickets to the meetup. How much are the tickets to the meetup?
This was the mainnet pump.
That was what? That was wasn't a Binance pump, brother?
And this
Yeah,
was
that
the
was Binance. Yeah, that was Binance pump, bro. Mainnet pump
Uh,
was like the first candle because it was already on mainnet.
Yeah, you dumbass.
that was the mainnet pump, right? That's the name for the pump. Are you
Okay.
daft?
Okay.
So this was the crypto bridge. Like a pump.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so this is so where is it getting listed now, right? That's the question. Is it gonna
Wait.
be like fucking
It's on
uh,
balance, right?
Yeah.
it's on
so it's
Binance.
gonna get listed on fucking
Chowx.
Bittrex, bro.
It needs to
and
get listed
now,
on
dude.
Chowx, dude.
New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah.
It's getting listed. So yeah, okay, so let's like Binance pump. So this is the come on, work with me.
It's like what, Hotbit or something? Or Upbit? WABI?
No.
Yeah, there you go.
It's going on NASDAQ.
There
Okay,
we go.
so this is the one. So it actually is a good buy right now.
Or alternatively, it could just hit that resistance, that pivot, and then just go back down. So
But what about my inflation, guys? What about the high inflation that Ravencoin has? Is that an issue?
not
It
anymore.
doesn't matter in situations when there are pumps like this. I mean, the hype is going to always overpower any sort of inflationary effect. So
Fundamentals.
Fundies.
but yeah, it's pretty much, I would think at a reactionary point now, and then I guess at around 700-ish would be the next one if it breaks here. Couldn't pause here, maybe continue.
Yeah.
I don't even know what the
think it
catalyst
can
is. I don't think the meetup
Yeah.
is.
I don't think it can continue. I don't know if there's any kind of fundamental reason why it's pumping. I think it's just randomly pumping. And I think we are still in a bear market, and anyone who is not selling on this resistance is a fool.
Whoa.
Just you wait when it gets listed on NASDAQ.
Yeah.
You will be fine.
You're gonna be eating your shorts, dude. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Next.
Raven Coin's looking pretty.
Dude, don't say eating your shorts, dude. That you're gonna summon Bart.
So, well, maybe that's what you want, right? Don't you want a
No,
Bart on this?
That's like, no, you don't want one now. The first half of the Bart is complete.
Yeah, you said it's gonna dump, so I'm just helping you out, dude.
Well, I don't want it to dump after I
Dude,
sell.
look
I
at
hope
CLAM.
it goes up.
It's pumping.
Clams.
Why? Why are you looking at clams? Why'd you just go to clams?
Just randomly goes to clams.
Because it's pumping, dude.
Oh,
just-
are you
I
buying
just-
on? Are you buying on Poloniex? Are you?
All right,
Yeah,
bro, how many stags did you spend on those clams, bro? Because clearly, I mean, you have a bag here.
Yeah, clearly, no. I just noticed it on the fucking high board, local
Alright.
high.
How does it look?
It looks like shit because it's at this huge resistance.
Yeah.
And it's on Poloniex.
Dude,
Yeah, it's one of the
Cloud
leveraged markets.
has to be one of the oldest coins in the history, bro. Like, Jesus Christ. I remember when I got into crypto, CLAM was still old back then. Right?
Oh my god, look at that massive red dildo. Like, what is that? Like a delisting or something?
No, that's someone was leverage trading and someone tried to. I think someone tried to like margin call someone. I don't know what happened,
You
dude.
can margin
that
trade
was like-
clams?
Yeah,
Yeah.
on Poloniex, dude.
What the
Yeah, someone
clams
just
of all coins?
market sold a bunch to fucking margin call someone. I think. I don't know what happened, dude.
Those loops.
Yeah, the leverage is like two and a half times, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So they had to dump it like 50%, and they did.
that's funny.
They
and
fucking
then it
did
just
it,
kept
dude.
dumping.
Yeah, they actually killed the market. It's pretty awesome.
See now,
Dude,
this is the
yeah,
guy.
that
This
was
is the guy. This is the guy who Craig Wright needs to like learn from. This is how you like actually super villain like mindfuck someone and just.
I just
completely ruin
wonder
their
if
banks.
it was a single candle or something.
If I remember clearly, CLAM was literally like an airdrop, like a Bitcoin airdrop.
Yeah, if
Like,
you had old addresses, you could get claims from old Bitcoin addresses and stuff.
Jesus, dude, this was probably like a single fucking dump,
Yeah.
wasn't it?
Yep.
Oh, Satoshi dumping. Just
Yeah, I remember that. That was pretty
It's a maximalist.
crazy. I mean, that was like the only theory because like nothing had happened. It's I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, good times.
what are the coins we got? On
Oh
the bottom?
god, it was a single fucking candle.
Yeah.
I'm down to 30 minutes now. What the fuck?
Yep. The last ones on the list are Quark Chain, Arc, GNO. Oh, there's too many, dude. I don't know. Fucking Shift, Tomo, Dio, Grin.
I mean, we should probably talk about, some of the Qtrade coins because I think
Okay.
the exchange Qtrade itself is a really nice place to be right now because they're actually adding coins that are on ERC20 tokens. So I mean, we don't even have to talk about the coins themselves. I just want to shout out whoever's behind the exchange.
Yeah, that's
Thanks.
also the only market for bismuth right now. So
Yeah.
So thank them for actually caring about original projects that aren't copy paste of Bitcoin or an ERC20 token. So shout out to them.
Yeah. So I've got a Movio open. Is it shared? Let's see.
yeah,
Yeah, it's shared. So
What's the volume like on that thing?
a couple BTC all over the place because it's pulling nice volumes on GraviX actually. It's
Okay.
been
oh yeah, I forgot I got listed
steadily-
on GraviX. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been steadily a Bitcoin plus on GraviX today, and
That's good.
it's like one
Yeah,
BTC volume here as well.
I'm excited for Qtrade. I've been talking about it a little bit. Like, you know, they listed Bismuth. They list pretty much new code-based coins. So Movio, Snow Blossom, the Nizo is the newest edition, which a lot of people are pretty excited about. But it looks like it got dumped pretty hard today. So
This is like
Raven
the
too.
only bad coin that's listed here.
Tau. I don't know why they did that, but you know what? Whatever. Also, the placeholder coin or whatever, it got a market, but it's actually a SHA-256 coin. So after it got a market, it got 51% attacked immediately. That's why that's that huge fucking red candle. But it seems like they fixed it. So yeah, they worked with Qtrade and got it taken care of. So that's pretty good.
Nice.
Yeah, when VO was pumping and Snow Blossom was pumping, there was actually some really pretty decent volume.
This is nice, actually. This
Yeah,
looks nice.
Snow Blossom's looking good too. So go get some go get a Qtrade account. Good shit's coming. I think Ariona will probably get a market here sometime
Oh
soon.
my god, all these coins look super good.
Bro, like
Awesome.
literally every alt on the market looks like this. If it's not permadumping.
Yeah, dude, this looks real nice.
Yeah, dude.
That's like that's a perfect Bart, bro.
That's the one, dude.
That's funny.
Yeah,
Is that a
Qtrade
daily
is
chart?
nice.
Jesus Christ. Sorry,
I've kind of been stalking the developers on Discord. Like, you can go into coin Discords and you can see the Qtrade guys on the user list. So trying to scope out what coin will be on there next. I think Ariona will probably go on there next, but I would think so. But
You heard it here first. Insider info from Dumb.
yeah, that's me.
So
Yeah.
what next?
Well, we've been an hour. We can keep going if you would like. Fuck it, dude. I'm down with. There's Quark Chain, Arc, Genosis, Tomo.
Can we talk about Binance Launchpad scams?
Sure.
boy.
Tell us about it, Roy.
Just basic overview, I guess. CZ has started putting stuff on Binance Launchpad again. First
Which is
it
the
was-
ICO thing, right?
Yeah. First it was BitTorrent in January,
Now it's Fetch.
and now it's Fetch AI, which
How is that doing, by the way? I was power trading that when it opened.
I think it's at like 5 or 6x now. USD.
Yeah, it opened
You
at
know,
like
the joke is with Fetch. What I heard is that, what I know is that there was a private pre-sale.
Yeah, there
a
was.
year
Mhm.
a year ago, and there was supposed to be an 80% bonus. The buyers didn't get it, and they actually locked their Ethereum at $800.
yikes.
So right now, those people are breaking even. So that's how you fuck over people that supported you a year ago.
Yeah, so actually the people that bought on the Launchpad are up 6 times, and the people that didn't are fucked, basically.
Well, they're up like 1.5 or something.
Yeah.
That's
Very
They're
nice.
fine. I think they're fine.
Did the ICO sell out like BitTorrented? Like, was it just like people
Yeah, it
couldn't
was
get
like
in?
it was 10 seconds.
Yeah, it was like 10 seconds.
And yeah, I would imagine only a few people got in that had their
Yeah, so it was. I think the numbers were something along the lines of 10,000 people wanted to get in, and only 1,200 people bought their tokens.
I remember a long time ago on a small exchange called Yobit, and they would have these events where they
the
would
rocket
sell
ICOs.
rocket ICOs. Yep, and you would buy it and just dump immediately afterwards because like everyone wanted to get in, but like not everyone could get in. So then when you got in, then you just wait. When the market opens, the price would pump like 2x or whatever, and you dump and make like $20 because we were all poor back then. And then
Yeah.
everyone realized the scam, right? So like it wouldn't pump anymore. So Yobit started doing like buy walls, right? They'd have like 50% buy wall. They literally take the money they just sold in the ICO and put a buy support at half the price and just buy it up.
Yeah.
And then pump it again from there. So anyway, it's just like the same thing happening in crypto. People are
Yeah.
Do you think
This-
that Wait, do you think that CZ is the guy behind Yobit?
Yeah. Yobit was his first venture into the exchanges.
CZ like enters Ambroid's room. Like, what are you doing, CZ? He pulls off his face. It's like Rupert Murdoch. I was behind everything the entire time. Your life is not safe.
I wonder who did run Yobit or who does run Yobit. Like that would be so cool.
I mean, we know it's a Russian guy, so but we don't know exactly who.
I love that like their Twitter banner is like a woman on like a floaty in the pool, and she has like big bazonkas.
You know what's amazing? Like no. Like what's amazing is realizing that Yobit is still active. They're still around. Like if someone tells you something isn't possible, just look at Yobit and realize that exchange has not been hacked. Well, we don't know yet.
Dude, I don't think
it hasn't been taken down by the FBI or something. Like how it's even possible?
They actually just the other day listed a coin called Scam, and like straight up like
it bumped hard, dude.
I want to go see it, dude.
It's growing sentient.
Give me a sec. I'm getting there.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, it's not there anymore.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. You can't charge shit here.
No.
Buy Scam. Look at the just. Can we read the chat? The ridiculous chat.
Where is it? Oh yeah. Can I like make it bigger?
Yobit is increasing the. Oh god, I can.
No, wait. Okay, so cheese. Yobit is increasing the mean invest sum to meet the growing supply by creating bigger demand.
This is great.
And remember, no fundamentals.
Yes, and price drop.
Yeah, that is.
Like these are just people like playing with like $100.
Oh my god, fam! Do they still have Rise only markets?
Yeah, I'm sure they do. What was it, Yovi and Wealth, or what was I can't remember the other ones. Yovi's still on there.
Market.
Just think about like how much balls you need to have to create a market where like the price can only go up. Like you can't sell, all you can do is buy. And somehow the CIA isn't shooting in the head. Like
I mean, it looks like it's got actual fiat markets.
Yeah.
So you can actually deposit your fiat into Yobit.
That's what I want to do. I want to link my bank account with my Yobit account. I forgot about that, dude.
You guys think Binance is the best exchange? Just wait until Yobit.
Investbox.
Dude,
invest your free coins to Investbox.
Just look up.
God, Yobit was so
not
cool.
a pyramid or high yield investment product. All payments are made from special fund.
From a special fund.
Oh, dude, you get 1% per day on the micro.
Yeah,
or you get 10% on Liza. Wow.
Yeah.
Can I like
day,
order
folks.
by the highest
No,
percent?
you
That's what I
cannot.
want.
You would never be able to do that on Yobit.
Yo, just look up Yovi in the search bar right there.
Yeah, I know. That's like 100% or something.
Let's just
Wasn't it? It was like massive percent for this Investbox. No, that was their ICO, wasn't it? Yovi.
Look at where it says like the investment plans thing. It says invest your free coins to Investbox. It's a tool. It is not a pyramid scheme.
Yeah.
dude.
That's great.
Oh, there's Yovi.
Ah,
There it is.
There we go.
Rise only markets, boys.
It's still going up after all this time, dude. Like in 2019, it's up. How much is it up? Oh my god.
Yeah, but like you'd have to set your order in 2016 to get it to actually go through right now.
Has there ever been a red candle on this?
No.
Why is there even buy orders? Why do people have their Bitcoin sitting on buy orders? Like you can't even get dumped into.
That's lovely.
God damn it. Yobi was such a good idea.
No, this is not even up that much. Look, this is like 3 million Satoshi.
Oh yeah, it's
and this is 3 million Satoshi.
yeah, 3.1 million Satoshi.
Oh god.
Good times, dude.
When is BitMEX going to turn on Rise only for Bitcoin?
Soon.
That's not a bad idea, actually, bro.
It's the future of money, bro.
So what else can we?
Anyway,
Dice.
Yeah, let's move on. We're actually shilling.
I was trying to make like a salient, cogent, ball.
Dude, no, wait, look at
Binance.
this.
I know,
Look at
someone
these
just bet.
Holy shit, there's a lot of money going on over here. God damn.
I see someone betting 0.6 Bitcoin right there, dude.
Fucking hell.
Did he win?
Yeah, he won 0.6.
Dude, look at him. He won.
That guy lost 0.45. Oh my god.
Holy shit. Look at this money rolling over here. So this is like you're betting if it's below 48 or above 52.
Wait, it's a 2%. It's a 2% edge.
No, it's 4%.
Or 4. No,
well, for the exchange, it's 4%. For you, it's 2%. So this is like right away telling you that you are not going to be profitable on this long term. Look at these people go.
God damn it. Anyways, no, we're actually shilling Yobit right now. I mean, they used to have ref links. Did you know? I actually think
there's a link called free coins.
yeah, you just get free coins from people.
Oh yeah. You can just
you can just
get free coins. Yeah, click.
I want to get free meme.
You get 2 satoshis of meme coin. Dude.
Oh, I want that Ponzi coin down there.
Dude, you get 2. That's terrible. All right, are we? Should we wrap this up, or should we look at one more legit coin before we do this? Because I don't know if we can end on Yobit.
Well, I was gonna say something about Binance because we were still talking.
Oh yeah, we were supposed to be talking about the Launchpad.
Yeah, so this happened last year and in 2017 with the Palm Beach pump, where every time our boy Tika would release a coin, and it's like, all right, we're gonna buy Zencash up to $20 or whatever, and then people started leaking the newsletters, and more people started jumping on the pump, and the pumps got weaker and weaker and weaker. The same thing is going to happen, and this happened for like pump groups too. It always gets weaker over time because more people learn about it and get on and get they realize what the game is. Binance, CZ's plan is what he said is 1 and up to maybe 2 Launchpad projects a month. I don't think that's sustainable post maybe the 3rd or 4th iteration, right? Because at that point it's only going to be flippers. And I just don't know if it seriously is everything going to go 4x. I doubt it.
I think second that they don't sell out in 10 seconds, the moment that one of them waits or doesn't sell out instantly, then that's when it stops working probably.
Yeah. So I would just be careful. I think for now, if you're a trader, get on these Binance Launchpad scams because you are going to make several multiples.
Are they really scams?
Well, they're not really scams. I just call everything a scam.
Me too.
Look at Jack shilling fucking Lightning.
Yeah, I was going to talk about that. What's up with this Casino thing?
Well, dude's invested in Lightning Labs, so he's shilling his own bags, basically.
Yeah, Jack's got a big dick, dude.
Dude,
Nice.
If you have a Lightning logo in your name, does that mean you don't get banned by Jack?
Oh.
That means you don't have a girlfriend.
Yeah, dude. You have coin takers in your bio or you have lightning in your name, you don't have a girlfriend, dude.
Just saying.
That sucks.
Yeah, I think we can wrap it up here.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. No, I'm just kidding. You guys, Godson, give us the lowdown of what's been going on in Gordson's world. What have you been up to, buddy?
Oh, Jesus. I'm not really trading much these days.
Why?
Because nothing's moving.
What?
Right now is actually the best time to accumulate coins, but I've already accumulated my bags that I'm willing to hold for a long time. Yeah, I talked about buying into exchange coins as the best way to sort of bet on how much the whole exchange does, right? Let's say you're on Binance, you can buy certain coins here and there and try to trade it, or you can just buy BNB, and if the exchange pumps more volume, you make money. It's an easier way to just bet, almost like an index, So yeah, waiting on Cryptopia to come back, so I can try to catch some dumps, because I'm pretty sure people are gonna like insta dump everything.
Oh yeah.
I'm looking out for that. For specific coins over there. I'm actually I've been working with some projects. Trying to launch tournaments. Stasis. The Fortnite thing. People keep asking me when Fortnite tournament. That's we're testing the platform right now. We're probably gonna do the tournament within the next week or two or so. And, gaming tournaments. Trying to also launch another trading tournament website, so people can degen 100x shitcoins and make and get wrecked. But so that'll be coming soon. I'm gonna rebrand as the tournament guy, right? Change my name to Altcoin Godson to Tournament Godson.
Do you even play Fortnite?
Yeah, I mean, playing Fortnite and Apex. I mean, I legit.
All right.
I had an exam last Thursday, and the 2 hours leading to the exam, I just played Apex and got a B in the exam. So fuck it.
That's good, dude. Good shit.
Yeah.
All right.
Well done, Godson. Got your priorities right at least.
Not trading much, playing games. That's good. What about you, Ambroid? How are things?
Things are good. There's a bunch of uptrends starting right now, so I bought into a couple of them. There's been I bought Horizon, IOSD, Loom, RLC, and Komodo.
Nice.
I mean, I fucking hate Komodo fundamentally, but as long as it goes up, I don't really care.
Yeah, I thought the chart looked pretty nice last time I looked at it. So I
Yeah, it
agree with
goes.
you.
Yeah.
Amazing.
KMD.
It's sex, dude.
Look at that,
Daily.
The chart is sex, brother.
Oh man.
So it just
like a
broke
bat signal.
above this range
Yep.
over here. If I turn on the cloud, it's gonna.
What do they call it? A wick-off, right? Wyckoff? Wyckoff?
Yeah, so
Call it
this is
candle.
like accumulation, and this is fairly atypical because you would expect this thing happening at the end of the accumulation. But as long as it's only broken the accumulation range once, it's okay. But if we go to a longer history, then we're gonna see in action. Had support over here. Let's try and draw this like so.
Yep.
And it just stopped inside this thingamabob. It's a very choppy chart. So
Yeah.
it's probably gonna move fast, right? If you look at these pumps, they happened very fast.
Yeah, I agree.
This is 4x inside a month. This is 4x inside a month. This is 2x or something? Yeah, 2x inside a couple of days even. So I wonder if it's gonna move this hard, this fast. I just wanted to be exposed to it.
There have been a few coins that have moved that fast, like Gas and Arc and stuff. So I mean,
Raven moves very fast as
Yep.
well.
Raven too. So I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah, so there's a bunch of uptrends, mostly on Binance, that have been starting lately, like cloud breakouts, accumulation range breakouts. So it's a good time to be buying some altcoins. Some are still in clear downtrends, so I wouldn't touch them with a 5-meter pole, but some look very nice.
Yeah, I agree.
And I'm happy that the market's so uncorrelated. That's just great because you can enter a trade and then exit it, and then you've got a new setup going on, just because nothing's moving together.
Yeah. Good shit, dude.
That's that for me.
All right. Just 5. Thanks for coming on the show, man.
Yeah,
You did a great job. What do you got going on? What are you looking at?
Well, I recently moved, so I've had a period of time where I was just focusing on a little bit more of furnishing apartment and so on. And I've been struggling a little bit with kind of getting into the groove. You have that laser vision. When you sit by the charts for a while, you feel in sync with the market. I've kind of lost that for a little bit, and now I've managed to sit down again, look at a lot of charts, see what's going on, and kind of feel like I'm getting into the groove of it. But yeah, like Ambroid said, the market right now seems to have a lot of good setups. Instead of chasing those, trying to catch a knife on those coins going, still bleeding, there are easily so many setups where you have a flat accumulation range. All you have to do is you have to buy the retest, or just the breakout from the accumulation range. So that's pretty much what I've been doing on Binance over the past 2 weeks. I think the ones that I find the most interesting right now, Binance is probably Bluzelle, also MFT, and One. I think these are my 3 main plays on Binance. But other than that, yeah, kind of trying to mix real life with trading until I transition, with the move.
Good to hear.
Yo, can I mention something real quick?
Yeah, I guess.
I didn't say a single time in this show.
I don't buy it, bro.
That's absolutely not true.
That.
I quoted it at least 4 times, but I stayed quiet.
All right, when we do timestamps, we're gonna look and see how many times you said it.
Timestamp all
Next episode, I got the buzzer, dude. I'm gonna hit the buzzer. I'm gonna find one.
I was so proud of myself. I actually tried.
Did you?
Emperor is lying. I didn't say it.
All right.
Yeah, you did.
All right, Roy.
Yo.
Give me some info, brother.
Yeah, all right. So I bought some EOS last week and got skull fucked. I think I lost like 10%. And I had to sell out.
Okay.
That's what happened in my life. And then I was like, licking my wounds, and I was like, man, fuck this. I'm gonna enter something. So I was gonna buy Komodo, but then I decided to buy ARK instead. So I bought just a massive amount of ARK. So I'm sitting on that. Gonna bag hold that. I don't know. I don't really have targets. I don't have targets for anything. I'm just holding it. Other than that, like I was busy like working on some other stuff recently because this bear market is like horrible. So only just now am I like starting to transition back into doing some trading here and there. But yeah, other than that, nothing else.
ARK looks a lot like the Rethio network chart that we looked at.
Yeah, like a lot of them are doing like similar kind of moves, and I don't know if we're gonna get like I don't know if we're gonna get like an all season or whatever, but I think at least we're gonna get some pumps, right? So
what's interesting is that it looks different from when it pumped in 2017. So it's like it's got a different market maker now. Mm-hmm. Someone else accumulated the coin instead of the original guy. So that's interesting to note that basically you can probably erase the history from 2017. It's not gonna move in a similar fashion.
Interesting.
Occult trading secrets from Android.
Yeah. That's what we get here on Shitcoin Talk. In the last 4 minutes, we actually get some good info, dude.
Yeah, we didn't do any racism, so I'm sad though.
What do you mean? We were just shitting
debatable.
on like, buying Russians.
That's debatable, dude. I don't know what your definition of racism is, Ambroid, but I'm pretty sure there was a little bit of racism. Subtle racism.
Wait, how? No, it's not applicable, right? Because you cannot be racist towards your own race.
That's true.
All I'm saying is the Kremlin.
I can't be racist to anybody, but that's just different.
Yeah, that's racist. By the way.
Yeah, that's racist.
No. That's the law, bro. That's like UN.
No, bro. Listen. We just have to be racist towards everybody equally, and then we won't be racist.
I think that we cover all the races pretty well. Like we're not really picking on one person in particular,
Yeah.
Why aren't we on iTunes, bro? I don't know.
I don't know either. I would just say I'm doing the same thing as Android. Just looking for the setups. Like a lot of coins may be breaking out of accumulation ranges. There are a few coins that look good. A lot, like there's one coin that I'm really watching is Game, which it might be a mistake, but there's some coins like that have just died for so long, and maybe they're starting to show some strength. So I don't know. I'm looking to start making some trades here, but I think March is going to be an okay month for trading altcoins.
It's going to be lit.
Breakouts and whatnot and whatever have you, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's
oh my god, game credits actually died. Holy crap!
It's so bad, dude. It's so
Do
bad
they
that
even
it's
have
good.
A dev team? Did their dev team die too?
After 5
it's
years, they're
active,
going to
dude.
release their platform, dude.
Holy shit!
Yeah,
Maybe.
it's active.
That's incredible.
It's
Isn't
down.
it? Isn't it good?
Yo, it's down 99%.
Yeah, that's like one of the few that's actually down 99%. So I'm looking, but I'm not like buying it hoping for a breakout. Like I'm only gonna buy it if it breaks out. It's like I don't know 2,400 I think sats. So that's
incredible.
But
that's amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a few coins like that I'm looking at that have just completely died. Everyone thinks they're dead. So someone told me that I was an idiot for looking at game credits. I was like, thank you. I'm just gonna keep looking at it then because that's what you do. So yeah, that's all I got, dude. Just mining some shit coins and playing shitty games and winning shitty prizes. Same.
No worries, bro.
Any last
Tournament
words?
Godson is there to help you.
Jesus Christ. There you go. Any last words from anybody about anything at all?
A shot.
There's a man in the troll box that says, "Talk about Crave. It was $12 in January 2018, and now it's 0.6 cents."
Incredible.
So, there you go. There's your shout out, Crave. Go look at that piece of shit.
Great.
And hit the like bucket. Hit the like button. I'm done. There's too much shitcoin talk. All right, we'll see you guys later. Love you.
Later, guys.
All right, man. Peace out.